see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today me and Master Chef Enrico with this new, okay, we're going to make, in Italian is mozzarella in carrozza. It's very easy but very tasty. In English is, I can say, is bread filled with mozzarella, some cooked ham. You can use salami, scamorza. You can make any flavor you like.
You can use basically anything.
And well done, thank you. And we're gonna deep fry it, or you can even cook in the oven. I try to do both today. We need a few ingredients. We need white bread, flour, eggs, breadcrumb, some dry mozzarella, scamorza, and some cooked ham. Okay? And we're gonna prep already some vegetable oil. Okay, we're gonna use. The oven is already on, and now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make it. Exactly?
Yes.
Cheese close to Enrico? Never. Okay. Enrico don't like really cheese.
I'm gonna be inspired on the camera if you do everything right. Nothing wrong. If you do something wrong, I will attack.
Can I start?
Yes.
Okay. Basically, guys, we're gonna take the crust off, but I want to take in this way because I'm gonna use this crust. You know? Basically, we need this. Okay?
Okay.
We save that one. You can cut like rectangle or like this. Okay? Triangle. Bravo. Basically, we have to put this. I can show you. We do some mozzarella. We have to do the in the breadcrumb. You know, and this one I can show you.
No, this ingredient, not the
Flour. This is
Oh.
flour. And this one you can do like this. One. You can close it like sandwich. Guys, basically the job is done. Later we're gonna take this. We're gonna put in the flour, in the egg, and breadcrumb, and we're gonna deep fry it. Okay? Now I make some different flavor just for show you. Later I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that. Now we make a triangle, a rectangle with scamorza example. We cut
It
scamorza.
looks like an animal.
Yeah, excellent. This is smoked scamorza. We can make smoked scamorza like that. And it's done. Okay? And we build more. When you finish your flavor, you can make all mozzarella. I don't know for how many people you're gonna do. I'm gonna make some for me, Enrico, and my partner soon.
What am I doing?
Well, without nothing. Okay, guys, now I'm doing the different flavors, and later I show you the rest. Dimmi, Enrico, catch it.
I want to put it in the flour.
And later we're gonna show them. Okay? See you later when I'm finished to do some flavor, and I show you the rest. Okay? Okay, guys, the my bread is ready. This one is the Enrico. It's empty because he don't like no mozzarella and no ham. What is this? It's like this. Mozzarella. This one basically is like that. You know, you can use salami, you can use Parma ham, you can use just mozzarella, just scamorza, anything you like. Now I want to show you another thing. With this crust, you can use for something else, or I do this. It's nice. You can roll it like that, like this, and we use. Be careful because this I break it. But you can. And we gonna deep fry. Okay, I'm gonna fix a little bit better. I show you another one. This basically, don't think about that. Very gentle, and that's it. You know, and we use this like deep fried or in the oven. But I recommend you before you do this, if you can leave it 10-15 minutes in the fridge and come a little bit more soft. What I'm going to do, okay? The oil is on. Now I show you how we do this. Very gentle. Yeah, this they fill you up very nice. Okay, press it a little bit, and now we go flour in the egg. In the egg, I recommend you use something because we're gonna try to open it, you know. And now breadcrumb. Okay, use another end, one end for you to the eggs and one end for the breadcrumb. Okay, around here. Take your time, no rush. in the plate. Now Enrico gonna do his one is empty. First flour, yeah, put in the plate, yeah, well done, very well. Now use manina, use by hands.
Okay.
It's done. Okay, yeah. Now in the egg, put inside, turn it like this, yeah. And now together we put together Enrico. We put here, okay? And this is gonna be the Enrico one, okay? I'm gonna show you the rest later when I'm doing all the thing. Everything is in breadcrumb. Now I want to show you that crust. After 10 minutes in the fridge, it's a little bit more soft. And if you want to use just spiral, very gentle, I hope it's very easy to break it. But you know, take a little stick, put inside, and do the same. Flours in the egg. We are ready for fried it. You know, it's very nice. Can use everything in the breadcrumb. Now guys, I tidy up 1 second here and I show you for fry. Okay, I want to show you just the difference in the oven and deep fry. I want 200 degrees. Gonna be around 20 minutes, but I'm gonna be more precise later. And now we're ready to fry it. And now we go in, make some kitchen roll ready like this, and here is couple minutes gonna be ready. But it's very easy to do. It's like a fried bread. It's deep fried bread with stuff inside. Make a little bit crispy. It's done. Now I'm going to make all this and I show you when we're gonna try it. And I show you as well in the oven one. See you soon. Okay guys, the mozzarella in carrozza or bread with stuff inside, mozzarella, prosciutto, scamorza, smoked scamorza. It's very easy, very simple. This is already 5 minutes, is already there to rest. I just want to say what I put in the oven, I forgot it and it's bad. Anyway, if you follow the recipe, they gonna be very nice. If you put 200 degrees around 20-25 minutes is ready. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, what I'm gonna say, I'm gonna try it. This is one de Rico, my son, without nothing. But you know, this is the spiral, it's just bread. Just to do me. And now, wow, it's very nice, spot on. Very, very nice. What can I say? The mozzarella in carrozza is this. Beautiful. If you like, pick it up and follow us. Ciao!